Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. I am OT Josh, and in this video I want to show you a strategy based on the Bollinger Band and price and volume. So right now what I see with the market is price is about to go down, not up, is about to go down. Although price is here at the overbought, but it's still going to go down, and I'm going to do a trade for 3 minutes, and after everything I'm going to tell you the reason why I took the put trade. Most people will say okay, it's a call trade, but no, it's a put trade. There is a reason I had to wait for price to come to this place and then do the put trade, not from here, but I had to wait for it to come back to this one deviation to do the put trade. Why? Is because if you listen to me carefully in my video, I told you about the Bollinger squeeze, the range. You can see this range, this small range, and then the breakdown. And this is a breakdown that happened. It happened with these two candles, which retraced back, and now it's going to continue downward. So let's wait. Okay, we can see it happening now, so let's wait a little bit. The price is going to continue downward, and then you understand better what I was talking about. If you want to get the ebook is here in my email address. You can contact me using my email address, and you can get the ebook. This is not the ebook, this is just what I use to teach. This is what I use as a reference point. The ebook contains more than just what you're seeing here. This is not the entire ebook, in case you might be wondering. So this is what we have here as the market is going on and on and on. Okay, you see how easily the EMA and the Bollinger Band can help us to assess it. If you look carefully as well, you can see that this was also a trend line here. You see this was also a trend line, and after this first and second touch, the price was supposed to go up, but it went up and then broke this trend line. This break on this trend line coincided with the break from here and retracement back. Everything broke down. As you can see, it's strongly coming down. So for instance, if this is, let's say, if this is a daily chart or a weekly chart for forex, and you meet the market here and you do a put trade here, you put your stop loss here, you can see a risk to reward ratio of 1:3 will be easy. It will easily happen. So now we're going to wait for the market to come down. Okay, so here is it. Here is our trade. I hope you understand. If you have questions, leave your questions in the comment section. If you like this video, please do a like, and if this is your first time in my channel, please do well to subscribe and help this channel grow. Until next time, bye bye and take care.